Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Monday the 19th of December 2022. Here's what's happening in crypto today. Grayscale is exploring options to return a portion of capital of its GBTC, its Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. If the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, refuses to approve its spot Bitcoin ETF. One option is to offer tender to 20% of outstanding GBTC shares, which are currently trading at a 49% discount to net asset value. Also, Sam Bankman-Fried will no longer contest US extradition. That was one of the headlines I saw this morning. And also, former BitMEX CEO Alexander Hopner has sued the cryptocurrency derivatives platform. Not has been sued, he has sued the platform for $3.4 million for breach of contract and wrongful termination. So they're the main headlines. That's nothing market moving, but you have seen that cryptos moving lower. Why is that? Well, it's overall market, the overall market behaviors. I'm talking, of course, about that risk on, risk off switch. We're back on that dial, it seems, at the minute. Last Thursday, Friday, post-Fed, post-ECB, basically all central banks coming out super hawkish, and that sent risk assets lower. You saw equities sink, you saw cryptos sink. BTC, big pin bar reversal last week off one of our key overhead levels, 18,345. Yep, that big pin bar reversal there, and then it sank lower from there. So it was a really nice trade off that overhead handle. So far today, it's really flat out there, to be honest. Yes, it's just ticking in the red, BTC. To be honest, the worst performing asset out there today has got to be Litecoin and also Ripple. You can see both of them, Litecoin in particular, gapping down on the open and then not being able to fill that gap just yet. So that's down from around the 67.7 handle. So that's down to the 63 area, so around $4 move there that we've seen, while Ripple has also taken a move lower today. You saw the open at around 0.3448 and now trading just above the 0.3345 handle, so it needs to stay there. You can see BTC just ticking in the green, so that means we're right flat on the day now as we speak. Ethereum, from a technical perspective, we discussed this ascending trendline break last week. We got the rejection of the 1280 handle, and that sank lower, and then we're trading at 1185. From here, if we can hold above 1185, then we can see a bounce and maybe a move and a retest back of this area at 1220, 1217. But if we can't get back above 1185, then the short-term bias or to medium-term bias should be a retest of those lows down at 1070. That's pretty much it from my end, and that's my thoughts on the cryptos and how they're moving so far today. I'll keep you updated with any further insights throughout the rest of the session inside the crypto chat room. Till next time, all the best with your trading, and bye for now.